Alright guys, so let me show you my setup for this black, white, and blue table setting because my grandmother's having a birthday party coming up in about 2 weeks, and her colors are white, blue, and black and silver, and I kind of wanted to come out with or kind of test out some of the items that I have purchased for her party decorating. Alright, so let's get started. These are the nylon chair covers, and I have the blue chair sashes that I just tied. I am not the best chair sash tying person, so I kind of just made it look a little pretty. I know there's got to be a method to doing this and for them to look better, but this is what I did so far. And then on my table, I have the light blue. This is also a nylon tablecloth. I'm loving these nylon tablecloths. I love the fact that they don't move, so your guests can sit and not have to worry about the tablecloth getting in the way and all that good stuff. So yeah, so I'm starting to like these and actually trying to buy a little bit more of these. So I have this in baby blue. I have my Dollar Tree chargers. If you guys are a subscriber, you guys know I use mostly Dollar Tree items for many of my birthday parties and family parties and events, holidays. So yeah, so I'm loving the Dollar Tree charger plates, and actually, I'm going to be putting these Dollar Tree plates on top. I probably should add something else. You know what? If at my grandmother's party, I think I'm going to add something blue, or maybe a picture of her, or I don't know, something just to kind of add to this, because right now, to me, it looks kind of plain. What do you guys think? But anyway, so that's how that's going to look. Let me put this back. I have my flowers, my Dollar Tree jars that I just blinged up. Here's my Dollar Tree centerpiece. I'm loving it, you guys, and I pretty much use this all the time. But what I did different is add the blue flowers in the mix, so that way it ties into her whole color scheme. I'm loving it. Again, this is my whole Dollar Tree centerpiece. If you guys want to learn how I did this, then check out my other videos, because I do have a tutorial on how I did this. It's really easy. Here I just took some of the same blue flowers and added to another Dollar Tree vase that I blinged up. Can't really see the bling. Flowers are covering it. It's okay. But I think what I'm going to do is actually add some more bling, because I don't like looking at the stems. So another option is to actually take rose petals, which I might do. Put some rose petals in here and have the stems inside that, so that way, you know, your guests aren't looking at these stems. And what's next? Oh, so this it's not actually... I have a silver bling table runner, but I can't find it. So this is actually a backdrop curtain, and all I did was just fold it in half. You guys can tell right here. I just fold it in half. So no biggie. So that is all I have for my table setting. Let's move along to our food table. Have our Dollar Tree glasses. I already showed you guys the Dollar Tree plates. I have some candles. Just to add to this table a little bit, I did add another centerpiece. Then I have my, what is this? My little food trays from Dollar Tree, of course. Here I have my cake stand. I love it because I love the fact that it's so tall and I can add so many different things to it. What else? Oh, we have our uplighting. I think this has it gives a nice mood with the uplighting, and of course to match the color scheme I have the color blue. I have it here, and then here I have my backdrop. And you guys, I have to tell you a little secret. So I don't own a a regular pipe and drape system. I just don't want to pay that amount of money right now. So for my purpose of doing home parties or family parties where my family really doesn't care, I just cheated. So I took 2 backdrop poles, and actually this is actually I love this one. This is like a triple pole, and I have a video on this as well. People actually love this. I love it, and I have recommended this so many different times. So that way you can do you know how you see people do the drape systems where they tie things back like this, and you have the curtain behind. So that's what the purpose of that was for. So I have that, and then I have a second one right here. And if you have the 2 backdrop stands, they don't actually connect together. So I just kind of cheated and just took a same color curtain and just draped it between the 2 poles. So I mean, it's not the best, but it serves the purpose of not being able to see that gap in between the two poles. And then I have my uplighting. Let me go around here. I have my uplighting going here, and I can't find another extension cord to add the uplighting on the other side. But my kids, my husband aren't going to care. They're just happy that, you know, I'm getting something together. All right, so that's what it looks like. You know what? I've been curious because this does look like wedding-ish. I want to kind of see what this looks like if I turn like the lights off. So let's see. You guys, oh my goodness. This looks better in the dark. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. And you know what I wish I had done? I wish I had some like blue LED lights to kind of stick underneath here. I would just like light it up. That would just, to me, would set it off. So, but you know, next time. But I'm loving this whole blue feel. What do you guys think? I mean, I don't know if you can really sit in the dark and eat like this, but you know, if people just come in just to give them that, you know, that feel as they come in, I think that would be great. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And I hope that, you know, my grandma will actually like the look of this. Now, here's the thing. Her party is outside. So I'm not sure how this is going to work being outside. There's a lot of things I might not be able to do, such as like the LED lights. I'm not even sure if these things are waterproof, so I don't know. I'll have to check that out. But anyway, there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll chat with you in the next one. Take care.